So when you get started with your research topic, there's a few resources up top here that are good to start exploring ideas and the related issues. So procon.org is a great place to get started on some of the current issues, reasons for and against. ACLU issues describe some current civil rights issues. This is the voting rights page. If you go to issues, you can see a handful of other issues, an overview, current issues, which might be your subtopics or your related topics, and recent news. Issues related to the First Amendment are linked to on the First Amendment Encyclopedia, that First Amendment of the Constitution, issues that are related to that today. Pew Research, which gives people's perspectives and opinions on current issues. And then the United Nations has a collection of some of the largest issues related to the world and their sustainable development goals. The Sacramento Public Library also has some great ways to explore topics. So in order to get on there, you're going to need your student ID. Your username is going to be capital S, capital J, and then your student ID number. And then your PIN is going to be your 4-digit year of birth. So let's get on to the issues researcher. You can either browse leading issues, trending topics, or check out all the leading issues. So if I go over to police brutality, you will get kind of some of the key questions that are related to this topic at this time, and then several articles that support viewpoint 1, several articles that support viewpoint 2. It relates critical questions and provides a timeline, some historical context as well, and then you can also look at related issues. UNO is a really cool visualization of different topics. So if I want to search my concept, police reform, I think I would like to start with police reform in the United States. And then you can right away see the topic in the center, related issues around. You can also look at concepts to see. So police accountability, for example, that's showing up at just different ways to see this information. And then you can select documents to actually get some of those resources. Gale Opposing Viewpoints is a more in-depth version of that ProCon free website. So you can browse issues. So you can read an overview of the topic and then see all the different types of information that are related. Gale OneFile is another really cool visual way of exploring a topic. I like to go to the topic finder. So use the topic finder. I can search for a topic, say police, and then I have options of how I want to view that information. If I go into police reform and changes, I can see there's a relationship between police and schools that I could explore. Once you have your topic and want to do a bit more advanced research, there are some other databases that are a little bit better for that. So if you want to search for news and magazines on a topic, that Gale resource is also good for that. We had our topic finder, but we can also just directly search. Academic journals will take you to the academic portion of Gale. Search. Britain, Georgia, Armenia, Peru. This is really broad. Let's do advanced search. United States. Okay, so here I'm getting to some of the arguments. All right, and then the eLibrary gives you lots of different types of media. I do like ProQuest to be able to change databases or add databases. So the eLibrary has a lot of different media, but you can also search at the same time several databases from that one link. Gale in Context is excellent to get situated with your topic. So these do look really similar, offer really similar items, but this one is going to be a little bit more advanced. I have put some information on some of the most useful search tips when you are going through Google. So there are certain search operators you can use to get even more specific results, and I go over a little bit what each of those is.